Good morning, all of you. Today we'll see how to take the online class in Google Meet. So, for that, first we have to open meet.google.com. Then we'll get this window. So, you can see that either we can enter a code or we can click on Now Meeting. So, we'll click on Now Meeting, and once we'll click there, we'll get three options: create a meeting for later. So once we'll click there, you can see here that we'll get the link. This link can be copied and shared with the students so that they can join the meeting. Now I'll click on start and instant meeting. So you can see that our meeting will be ready. Camera is starting. So now we'll get this option, join now when present. So as we'll share with the students, so we'll click on the present. Now once we'll click on the present, we'll get this dialog box. Now we have to click on your entire screen, as we have to share the screen. Now we have to click on this window and then click on share. Once we'll click there, you can see here we are getting the notification that we are sharing this. And now I'll take the class. Here I have copied this link and shared with the Deepak sir. So he will also join with us. Once he will join, we'll get the notification. So you can see we got the notification. We have to click on the admit. So now Deepak sir is also joined with us. Now we'll take the class. So for this class I have already prepared one PPT earlier. Now we'll take this class. You can see that we are regularly getting this notification here that we are sharing the screen. Good morning, students. We'll continue the previous chapter, chapter 3, spreadsheets, ranges and function. Now earlier we have discussed about some other functions. Today we'll continue the same function, but we'll see average. Now this function returns the average, that is arithmetic mean of the argument. Now if there are so many numbers and if we want to count the average, then it is better to do in the Excel than calculating manually. Now how we will use that functions, or what is the syntax of the functions? Now it is simple. We have to click on average. We have to type average, then in the bracket number 1, number 2, where number 1, number 2 are 1 to 30 arguments for which we want to count the average. So here we will write the arguments, or we can write the cell address or number also. We can also write the range. We'll see few examples. Now if a range is A1 to A5 and the name of the range is scores, then it contains numbers 10, 7, 9, 27 and 2. So how we will calculate the average? So we have to write average, then in the bracket A1 to A5, and then if we will press enter key, then we'll get the result 11. Same way if we'll write average and then we'll write scores, because the score is the name of the range, then that is also equals to 11. If we are writing average, then A1 to A5 comma 5, that will be equals to 10, as here we have added one more number and the range average of A1 to A5 is already calculated in the first example. So like that you can also calculate the average. Now we'll see in the Excel that how average will be calculated. So you can see we have entered these numbers from A1 to A5. So now we have to write average, then in the bracket we'll write A1 to A5. Then we have to press enter. Now after pressing enter, you can see that average is not calculated. We are simply getting the same. Why? Because earlier we have discussed that if we want to calculate anything or if we want to use the function, then we have to start with the equal to. So in this case also we will do the same. We will write equal to and then we'll press the enter. So you see, we got the result. Same way, whenever we'll use the function, we have to start with the equal to average, then we'll write A1 to A5, that is the range, and then we'll use comma and we'll use some other numbers 35, 45, 40, and then close the bracket and press enter. So you can see that we got the average 39.375. So like this we can take our online classes. At the end we have to click on stop presenting, and then we can same way prepare for the next link. Thank you.